Hey guys, here with a Bona hardwood floor cleaner review. Now, I've never heard of this until we moved into our house and our cleaning lady said this was what to use to clean our floors. Now, typically I usually just either, old school it, get on your hands and knees and, wipe your floors up or use a mop. But when she told me about this, I literally never looked back because I use this to spot clean. The kids drop stuff on the floor constantly, and my floors can tend to get a little sticky. So once you get your top on, because I was definitely struggling to get this on, and it's super easy to put on. I don't know why I was struggling. You just pop it into the holster, and the neat thing is it's a microfiber pad. So when you clean your floors, you can literally take it off, pop it into the washer, and boom, you have a brand new microfiber pad to use. But you see there, that's where the kids spilled some juice and it got sticky. Mopped it up, boom, it was literally gone in like 2 seconds. And the best part about this is a fast drying solution. So as soon as I did that, it dried up but still left a great shine. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.